Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Glitch Master FaZe.
And I'm CPU.
And today, we are going to be doing a weapon demonstration.
It's if weapons had weird sound effects.
For example, like this machete.
Kapushka! Let's go to the next scene. For example, whatever the heck kind of gun is this?
SMG.
Oh, choo-choo! Come in, friend.
Yeah.
YouTube, please don't demonetize me.
And also, for example, this Desert Eagle.
I fell. Revive.
Next one.
Minecraft pickaxe. A pick. Part 2. Stab.
And the best for last, the giant machete.
Machete. Oh, what a word! Sing! Oh, I'm so. Oh! Seizure warning. 3, 2, 1. I blind you.
Oh my god. It's about time that I truly reveal myself.
Message from the Glitch Masters.
Listen, it's very important to know
we are professional idiots.
Yeah, professional idiots. And every single weapon used in this video
is fake. YouTube, do not demonetize us, please. I need this.
It's very important. If you're offended by any of this,
then stop watching. Bam.
Make sure to stay in school. Don't do drugs and also don't play with real weapons.
What's our outro again?
Oh, right, the outro. This is Glitch Master FaZe, and we are officially signing off.